Everyone, my name is Dao Tuan Anh, and this is my submission for LAB21, Managing Group Policy Object for Win700. In this video, I'll show the completed result of 4 exercises and answer the lab review question. So let me walk you through exercise 21.1. In exercise 21.1, I back up all TPO using the Group Policy Management console. Right-clicking the Group Policy Object container and selecting Backup All, pointing to the share BAK folder on RWDC-174 VM, and I also individually backup GPO1. Then I restore GPO1 using restore from backup, selecting the backup from the wizard. And as you can see here in the completed restore Group Policy Object wizard. To answer the question, the tool used to backup GPO is Group Policy Management Console. Next is exercise 21.2. In exercise 21.2, I imported the setting from TPO7 into TPO2 using import setting wizard. Then I copy the TPO7, rename the copy to TPO8, and link it TPO7 to the service cell OU. On the scope tab here, you can see the TPO7 is linked to the multiple containers. So let me show you the scope tab of TPO7. You can see it's linked to the cell OU. You can see the TPO8 here. It's copied from TPO7. To answer the question, a TPO can be assigned to multiple containers. There is no single container restriction. TPO links are managed through the scope tab in Group Policy Management console, and you can link it to as many OU, site, or the domain as needed. In exercise 21.3, I reset both default TPO, the default domain policy, and the default domain controller policy back to their original default setting. The command I used were dcgpo fix, run from an elevated command prompt. I confirm both prompt with Y, and the tool restore both policies. Next is exercise 21.4. I delegated Group Policy Management by first granting John Smith the ability to create a GPO through the delegation tab on the Group Policy Object container. And then I added to TPO7. Let me click TPO7, go to delegation tab. You can see the John Smith here. With edit, setting, delete, and modify security permission, as you can see here. To answer the question, the tool used to manage permission of TPO is a Group Policy Management console, specifically the delegation tab on each GPO. And that's everything for LAB21. Thank you for watching.